Back here at home, the state Supreme Court denies Superintendent Ryan Walters' request to intervene in the lawsuit over the state's first ever publicly funded Catholic charter school. Our Capitol reporter Haley Wager sat down with Walters today.
We're very proud that Oklahoma is the first state in the country to authorize a religious charter school.
The legal battles continue over the first ever publicly funded religious charter school set to open here in the state.
One, we are prohibited as a state from funding religion.
Attorney General Gettner Drummond filed this lawsuit in the state Supreme Court, calling St. Isidore unconstitutional. State Superintendent Ryan Walters disagrees.
Not only do I think they have the right to do so, I think it's incredibly helpful to the state of Oklahoma and for the parents of Oklahoma to be given another option with an entity that's proven itself to do a great job in educating our kids.
The original suit was filed against the state virtual charter school board members who approved St. Isidore over the summer. But Walters argued both he and OSDE should be named on the suit.
The Department of Education will give the funding directly to the school like we do all the other charter schools. So it was very interesting that we're not in the case because we will be the ones that fully authorize this school.
Drummond objected the motion to intervene, saying Walters and OSDE, quote, do not know their role relative to school funding, going on to say they are not entitled to intervention by right.
The Supreme Court will rule how they see fit, but the reality is the State Department of Education will move forward with the school. We will fund the school.
The state Supreme Court Tuesday denied Walters' motion to intervene, but Walters says he's not backing down.
We're going to continue to intervene in these lawsuits. We're going to continue to defend ourselves, and most importantly, we're going to continue to defend parents' rights to have these options.
The state superintendent is also responding to a letter sent by the Tulsa chapter of Moms for Liberty, who's calling for an end to the scholastic book fairs here in the state. The group claims the publishing company is indoctrinating kids with racial viewpoints and sexual ideologies through book fairs. Walters says his office has received similar complaints from parents across the state.
It's inappropriate, and frankly, that type of left-wing ideology in a classroom will continue to downgrade our test scores. It will continue to undermine the learning process. We want high academic standards, and we want to focus back on the basics.
Walters says OSDE will investigate. For Oklahoma's Own, I'm Haley Wager.